My PT told me to do shoulder rotations. I'm guessing they're talking about external rotations, good for working your rotator cuff muscles, which help to stabilize your shoulder and prevent further injury, future injury. Actually, just what this person said. I think I was building them straight. Am I wrong? Am I actually aggravating it? So no, you're not aggravating it. But if you're doing a range of motion, and specifically a range of motion with a certain amount of weight where it actually hurts your body, say we're doing this example of external rotations and they're doing it where they're doing it and it's like, oh, there's pain right there. First, look at how much weight you do. If you can do this exercise with no weight and it's no problem range of motion wise, by all means keep doing it. If the second you add weight and it gets, oh, it's really hurting, try to take less weight. Okay, it feels good there. That's where you need to work in. If anything hurts, decrease the range of motion slightly, decrease the weight slightly. If it is not working for you and it still hurts with barely any range of motion, barely any weight, I recommend you completely discontinue the exercise, try other exercises that work the same muscle but aren't the same thing, and hopefully try to reintroduce that exercise at some point. But don't force it. There's a lot of different ways to work a lot of different exercises.